Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best AirPod Case Protector is probably one of the most essential accessories you can buy to keep your expensive earbuds safe from everyday wear and tear, accidental drops, and scratches, ensuring they remain in pristine condition for longer, thus preserving their resale value and overall aesthetic appeal, making it a wise investment for any AirPod owner looking to safeguard their device. Number 5. Our fun silicone case for AirPods 1-2. This protective case is designed to perfectly fit your AirPods first and second generation. It ensures your earbuds and charging case remain safe and secure. Crafted from high-quality soft silicone, this case offers flexible and shockproof protection. It shields your device from everyday bumps, drops, and scratches. Enjoy full drop protection without added bulk. The slim and lightweight design keeps your AirPods protected while maintaining their sleek profile. This case comes with a 3-in-1 cleaning pen to keep your earbuds pristine and a carabiner for easy attachment to your bags or keys. The one-piece design ensures the lid stays securely in place, preventing accidental openings. A bottom dust plug also keeps the charging port clean and sealed. You can easily check the charging status as the front LED indicator remains visible even when the case is on. The package includes the protective case, carabiner, and cleaning pen, ensuring your AirPods are always protected and clean. Plus, enjoy a 12-month protection plan for added peace of mind. What we like? This case offers a soft silicone feel and comes with a handy cleaning pen to keep your AirPods pristine. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that provides basic protection and includes useful accessories, this is a great choice. It's ideal for everyday users who want to keep their AirPods clean and scratch-free without breaking the bank. What people say. The case is made of a durable silicone material that feels good in the hand and provides excellent grip. It fits the AirPods Pro perfectly, with precise cutouts for the charging port and buttons. The included carabiner clip is sturdy and makes it easy to attach the case to a backpack or belt loop. Number 4. MOBOSI AirPods Pro 2 Case with Lock. Introducing the ultimate protective case for your AirPods Pro 2nd Gen, designed for a perfect fit. It ensures your earbuds stay secure and protected. Never worry about losing your earbuds again. Our secure locking design keeps them safely enclosed, even if dropped. The quick release mechanism ensures easy access when you need it. Crafted with military-grade resistant materials, this case offers unparalleled protection. Its robust, sealed design shields your device from scratches, bumps, and accidental drops. Enjoy seamless charging with this case. It's compatible with wireless charging and provides easy access to wired charging ports, all without removing the protective cover. This isn't just a case, it's a complete solution. It comes with a portable keychain and a cleaning kit, making it convenient, durable, and safe for everyday use. Your purchase includes the protective case, a carabiner, a cleaning kit, a removal tool, and a manual. Everything you need for optimal protection and maintenance. What we like? This case features a secure locking mechanism to prevent accidental drops and offers military-grade protection. If you are someone who is very active or prone to dropping your AirPods, this case provides peace of mind. It's designed for those who prioritize security and robust defense for their valuable earbuds. What people say. The case is made of a durable silicone material that feels good in the hand and provides excellent protection against drops and scratches. It fits the AirPods Pro perfectly, with precise cutouts for the charging port and speaker. The lid stays securely closed, and the carabiner clip is strong and convenient for attaching to a bag or belt loop. Number 3. MOBOSI AirPods Pro 2 Case with MagSafe. Introducing the MOBOSI case, designed specifically for your AirPods Pro 2nd and 1st generation. It offers robust protection and seamless compatibility. Experience military-grade drop protection with its dual-layer design. This case shields your charging case from scratches, bumps, and accidental drops. Never worry about losing your earbuds again. Our precision fit case features a secure magnetic lock and an integrated spring lock to keep everything safely closed. This isn't just a case, it's a complete solution. It includes a durable main case, a cleaning tool, and a detachable keychain for ultimate convenience. Enjoy effortless charging. This case supports both Qi-certified wireless charging and wired charging, ensuring your device is always ready to go. We stand by our product. Every purchase comes with a 12-month quality promise to address any unexpected issues, ensuring your peace of mind. What we like. This option boasts MagSafe compatibility and a secure magnetic locking system for ultimate convenience and protection. If you frequently use MagSafe chargers and want a case that integrates seamlessly while offering robust defense against drops, this is the one. It's perfect for tech-savvy users who demand both functionality and durability. What people say. The case fits perfectly and securely holds the AirPods. It provides excellent protection against drops and scratches. The built-in carabiner is very convenient for attaching to a bag or belt loop. Number 2. Pohgelan AirPods Pro Case with Cleaning Kit. Introducing the Pohgelan case, designed for your AirPods Pro 1st and 2nd generation. It offers a secure fit and automatic locking for peace of mind. Experience effortless operation with our automatic snap switch. It opens with one hand and securely locks to prevent accidental openings, keeping your earbuds safe. This case provides comprehensive protection with its sturdy TPU and PC materials, plus a 4-corner airbag design. It shields your earbuds from dust, drops, and scratches. Carry your AirPods Pro with ease thanks to the included keychain and wrist strap. It's lightweight, convenient, and attaches easily to bags or backpacks. Keep your earbuds pristine with the included cleaning kit. This accessory ensures your AirPods Pro stay looking and performing their best. Our case is fully compatible with MagSafe charging. Enjoy convenient wireless charging without removing the case. What we like. Featuring an automatic snap switch designed for easy one-handed operation, this case offers excellent shock absorption. If you value quick and effortless access to your AirPods while ensuring they are protected from drops and bumps, this case is for you. It's ideal for busy individuals who need a secure and convenient way to carry and use their earbuds. What people say. The case is made of a durable silicone material that feels good in the hand and offers excellent protection against drops and scratches. The precise cutouts allow easy access to the charging port and pairing button without removing the case. It comes with a detachable carabiner clip, making it convenient to attach to a backpack or keychain. Number 1. Valkit Rugged AirPods Case Cover. Introducing the Valkit Rugged Case, designed to perfectly fit your AirPods 1 and 2 charging case. It offers robust, full-body protection against drops, scratches, and bumps. Crafted with a military-grade design and drop-resistant material, this cover provides dual protection. Keep your device safe from everyday wear and tear. Enjoy convenient charging without any hassle. Precise cutouts allow for both wired and wireless charging, and the front LED indicator remains visible. Never lose your AirPods again with the included portable carabiner clip. Easily attach it to your belt or bag for secure and convenient carrying. This package includes the rugged case, a carabiner clip, and a storage bag. Please note that AirPods and charging devices are sold separately. What we like. This case provides rugged, full-body protection with a military-grade design, ensuring your AirPods are safe from most impacts. If you need a tough and durable case that can withstand rough handling and daily wear and tear, this is an excellent choice. It's designed for active individuals or anyone who wants maximum protection for their AirPods. What people say. The case is made of a durable silicone material that feels good in the hand and provides excellent grip. It fits the AirPods Pro perfectly, with precise cutouts for the charging port and buttons. The included carabiner clip is sturdy and makes it easy to attach the case to a backpack or belt loop. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.